The future just leveled up. And it wears the Tesla badge. This is the 2026 Tesla Model X, completely reimagined for the digital era. It's sharper, cleaner, and smarter than ever. And this time, it doesn't just move electric design forward, it defines it. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Every week, we bring you the most futuristic car designs from around the world, and today's Tesla might just be the one that sets the tone for the next decade. The first impression is breathtaking. The 2026 Tesla Model X greets you with a face that's pure electric artistry. A minimalist sculpture carved by aerodynamics and technology. The front fascia is completely grille-less, a signature Tesla move, but now evolved into something bolder. A razor-thin LED light bar stretches across the entire fascia, merging seamlessly with the ultra-sharp headlamp clusters. The illuminated TESLA script is embedded directly into the light bar. Not just a name, but a signature of light identity. Every contour across the hood seems laser-etched. Long, deliberate character lines glide from the front edge toward the windshield, channeling airflow and creating visual speed even when standing still. Below, the glossy black lower bumper features angular layers and air curtains that enhance cooling efficiency while adding that sporty, aggressive edge. Under direct sunlight, the Alpine white paint glows like liquid porcelain. Smooth, crisp, and alive with subtle reflections. Combined with Tesla's PBR smooth surfaces and mirror-like clear coat, it's clear this is a masterclass in clean, futuristic surfacing.
Move to the side, and the transformation continues. The 2026 Model X now wears a coupe SUV silhouette with sleek proportions, long, flowing lines, a tapering roofline, and a clean belt line that ties every element together. The flush mount door handles disappear completely when not in use, improving aerodynamics. The black window surround contrasts sharply against the white body, visually elongating the cabin and emphasizing Tesla's minimalist philosophy. The roofline arcs gently downward toward the rear, giving the Model X a fastback-style form that feels dynamic, even when parked. At the back, the 2026 Model X delivers one of the most striking digital identities Tesla has ever created. The full-width, ultra-thin LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, seamlessly integrating the illuminated TESLA script in the center. It's minimal, yet unmistakably futuristic, like a continuous ribbon of light that floats effortlessly under the glass rear window. The taillights are now unified with a clean, geometric form, replacing the previous generation's segmented look. The tailgate itself is sculpted with soft, taut surfaces and a pronounced shoulder line that gives the car a muscular stance. The lower bumper features aerodynamic fins and diffuser-style detailing in satin black, continuing Tesla's theme of technical precision without fake vents or unnecessary ornaments. The floating roof spoiler adds a final touch of performance flair. It's sleek, slim, and integrated with the third brake light, emphasizing the Model X's new, sporty crossover personality. This rear design feels mature and confident. It doesn't shout for attention. It simply glows with quiet intelligence. Step inside, and Tesla's vision for the future becomes tangible. The cabin of the 2026 Model X is minimalist, yet deeply sophisticated, a blend of sustainable materials, next-gen technology, and human-centered design. The dashboard is now a floating architecture with a clean horizontal layout that stretches across the cabin. The materials are premium matte wood grain trim paired with soft-touch vegan leather and brushed aluminum accents. At the center, a massive 17-inch floating touchscreen dominates the experience, now running Tesla's latest infotainment OS with improved responsiveness and richer graphics. The display serves as both control center and media hub, capable of controlling everything from HVAC to autonomous driving settings with stunning clarity.
Underneath that futuristic skin, the 2026 Model X is powered by Tesla's next-generation plaid powertrain architecture, featuring tri-motor all-wheel drive, advanced torque vectoring, and ultra-high-density battery cells. Expect mind-bending numbers: 0 to 60 in under 2.8 seconds, a top speed around 250 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 610 kilometers on a single charge. Charging is faster than ever. Thanks to 350 kilowatt supercharging, it can charge from 0 to 80% in under 20 minutes. Tesla's AI-driven adaptive suspension analyzes road conditions 1,000 times per second, providing an effortlessly smooth ride regardless of terrain. The low center of gravity and advanced weight distribution ensure the Model X feels planted and agile, more like a grand tourer than a full-size SUV. While Tesla hasn't officially confirmed exact pricing, industry estimates place the 2026 Model X starting around $90,000, with higher spec Plaid and performance variants reaching up to $120,000. Production is expected to begin in late 2025, with first deliveries rolling out in early 2026. Tesla will likely unveil the pre-production prototype at the end of 2025, possibly alongside the refreshed Model S and Model Y updates. So, there you have it, the 2026 Tesla Model X, the most advanced SUV Tesla has ever envisioned. It's clean, intelligent, and emotionally futuristic. From its illuminated Tesla light signature to its AI-driven interior, every detail is designed to connect technology with emotion. And it proves that electric design isn't just about the absence of fuel, it's about the presence of identity. If you enjoyed this deep dive review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop a comment below. Would you pick the 2026 Model X over rivals like the BMW iX, Mercedes EQE SUV, or the Lucid Gravity? Because one thing's for sure, the future is no longer coming, it's already here, and it wears the Tesla badge.